Okay, I went ahead and I took these two screws back out and I loosened up the back of here because this bolt is on threads, and I tightened it up before. So see, now I've got it so it's spinning. Okay, that way when I put the head on and I tighten it up, this will back out into this bracket to make it tight up against the wall. That allows a little bit of slop because they don't know what kind of surface that you have. If your box is indentated and it's not flush to the outside surface where sometimes it is, stuff like that. So I guess that was a kind of a good idea they did that. All right, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna loosen up this set screw here for the ground. I'm gonna have to wrap that ground wire onto there, tighten that up somehow. All right, let's do it. Now hopefully I can do this without needing anybody's help. So I've got glass here, I gotta be careful with this. I'm gonna have to kind of hold it up here and let this thing dangle or something. I had some wire nuts that came with it too, but I'm just gonna use the old wire nuts that came or that were existing on here. I'm gonna kind of hold it up there if I can. I don't know if you think you can see that. Okay. I don't want to let go just yet. I want to make sure that this wire is up there tight. I'm going to pull on it and see, look at that. It came right out. Had I have just let go of that, it could have went down on the ground, couldn't it have? I'm wondering if I should strip that wire back a little bit. I'm going to try it again here. I can pull on it and that feels fine. Now I can do the white wire. I'm going to hold that there. Hold my mouth just right. The key is you don't want to have too big of wire nuts here. And generally the ones that come with the light fixture will work. Okay. All right. Now I can move those wires out of the way. I've got to wrap this around that screw. I want to wrap it the same direction as how I'm tightening the screw. Okay? I put a couple twists on it like that. Now I can tighten that up. All right. Okay. So far, so good. Redirect my wires in here carefully. Like that, and these are flexible. And I've got enough room in here to where I can gently put this and fish it over, making sure my wires are situated properly on the back side. Let's see where the wire nut is, or the screw. Okay, right like that. I should have brought my little caps up on the ladder. I didn't, but it's holding. Get those caps. Now I can gently put that cap on there. Before I get it tight all the way, I want to get both of them on, started. Now I can kind of push it up into place, look at it, and tighten the caps up. Before I get it tight all the way, I can stand back, I can look at it, see if I need to move it. Looks pretty good right there. All right. So far, so good. I still got the breaker turned off. I gotta remember that. Everything looks good so far. Now I'm gonna get you up here. Now see on the top, on this particular one, there's a little cap nut there and one there. I've got to loosen those up, and there's 2 prongs there. And that's for the top of this. Now every fixture is gonna be slightly different. Okay, so read your directions. This particular one, see, I've got to put that up there, fish that up. This is going to be facing up like that, and then the cap comes over, and then I'm going to cinch it down with this top. Okay, so that's our next step.